In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play two-player on GTA 5 Story Mode on the PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to do two-player, either split screen or play together on the same console for the Story Mode of GTA 5, what you may try to do is open the game and of course start any save that you have. Now, the first thing that I want to make absolutely clear is that you will notice that I'm recording this video on PC, but don't worry, everything that I say here is going to apply for all platforms. Once you get inside of a save, first thing that you would do, of course, is to go into the settings and browse through them. So you can go over to Settings, Game, Online, and regardless of which option you go to, you will notice that there is no option to invite someone. If you go to online, of course, you can find join friends, but you will have to connect to the online mode, so that defeats the whole purpose of doing story mode. So what if you try to connect an additional controller to your console? Even though you are able to connect an additional controller, you can even get the pop-up on screen talking about selecting a new user. Usually, you won't get past that. Regardless of which button combination you do on the secondary controller, nothing will happen. So as of today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Is it possible to do split screen in any way with two players on the same story mode save? Sadly, as it stands today, GTA 5 does not have any sort of split screen, meaning that even though you are able to connect two controllers to the same PlayStation 5, you will not be able to do any activities inside of story mode, split screen, or with two people at once. It is unfortunate because it would be nice to experience the game on story mode with two controllers split screen, but Rockstar never bothered with updating the game with that functionality. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of giving split screen on GTA 5 story mode and how Rockstar has never added that functionality in. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.